Okay, just had a moment to change the brakes. I think it's something I'll have to do before every ride, because I still have cable brakes. I am looking at some hydraulic brakes for an upgrade, simply because with the added weight of the motor, and I'm about 200 pounds, I'm 6'2". I don't think the cable brakes is going to be enough. It's too much weight. Anyway, let's see if I can make this hill. Let's go. Even if it's 750 watts, I think the amount of torque that the bafang has is pretty impressive. I mean, I'm not speeding up this hill, but I'm definitely making some headway, some progress. Slowing down, but I'm satisfied with how much power it has. I'm sure I'd have been happy with the 1000 watt motor, but for 750 it's doing pretty well. This hip, ow, sorry about that. This hill is kind of steep, and I'm loving it. Slow, but we're getting up there, for damn sure. That's for sure. Okay, don't think I'm gonna go all the way up this hill, but I should have avoided that hole. It's doing well, and I only, oh yeah, so it only has 50% charge, so I'm sure doing this with a full battery charge would be a little bit faster, although this speed is pretty good. Hey doggy. I think I'm gonna turn here. I'm still testing it out for the most part. At 50%. So let's see how this works. I just adjusted the brakes, and let's see if it holds up. Honestly, I'm 200 pounds, then the bike is probably another 80 pounds, 280 pounds going down this hill. I am not confident in having cable brakes moving forward. I mean, again, I'm tall, so I'm sure someone would, okay, yeah, someone who's a little bit smaller would have an easier time with the cable brakes. I'm not comfortable with this. Let's go up this one and see. Alright. I've never actually been on this road before. Skip to the roof. Morning. Downhill. Whoop. I'm not gonna go down there. Alright, time to turn. Okay, looks like that's a dead end, someone's property, so I'm not going up there. I'm down there. I think I'll just head back now. I'm definitely satisfied with the performance. I do not have a speedometer, but it's going pretty fast. I like it. I'm not confident with riding to work with this thing yet, but after I get a spare set of wheels and the hydraulic brakes, I'm gonna go take a chance riding to work with this thing again. I mean, I've ridden to work with it as a pedal bike, not with a motor on it. So, let's see how this goes. Hello. Down this hill. Who is this guy? Something's wrong with his leg. But he looks like, oh yeah, he's here still. Morning. Okay. I think I'll end the video here. It's the second video. I'm liking the performance so far. And you guys, peace out. Okay, never mind, I'm not peacing out yet. I didn't think the brakes was enough to make it down the hill, I'll be honest. But it seems like it's holding on. So if the brakes can take me down this hill safely, I might just hold on to the cable brakes for a little bit longer. And it's raining great. Yeah, I think it's time for me to go. See you guys.